Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to add a gradient in GIMP. So if you want to do it, first you need to create a new image. So I go to File, then I go to New, and I need to click here OK button. After that, the background will be successfully created here. So now we need to click right mouse button somewhere here, and then we need to click on gradient. Of course, you can press G from your keyboard. This is shortcut for gradient tool. So I click on this one option. Now we need to modify colors that we want to use. So I click somewhere here. For example, I set here red. I click OK. Then I click somewhere here. I will select here maybe blue color. So I select here blue and I click somewhere here. Then I click OK button. And now we need to draw a line where we want to apply gradient, maybe something like that. And how you see, gradient has been successfully created on our background. So it is how it works. If I helped you to create gradient in GIMP, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.